Now let us start with a new Sandhi. So till now in Swara Sandhis, we have seen Yana Sandhi, Ayadi Sandhi, or otherwise called as Yantavanta Desha Sandhi. And yesterday we saw Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. So totally we have seen 3 Sandhis. And yesterday Mahodaya also explained how Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is unique compared to Yana Sandhi and Ayadi Sandhi. So in Yana Sandhi and Ayadi Sandhi, the Adesha occurs only in the place of Purva Varna. But Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, in Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, the Adesha occurs in the place of both the Purva Varna and Paravarna. That is, in place of Purva Varna and Paravarna, one letter is coming as Adesha. Similarly, we have another Sandhi. Today, we'll be knowing about that. Gunasandhi. So what will we learn at the end of this lesson? So we'll learn what is Gunasandhi, the table and the rules of Gunasandhi, the examples of Gunasandhi from Ramayana and Bhagavata. So first we'll see a couple of shlokas and observe how the Sandhi has occurred. Sasuryaja Mahendraja Pavanaja Swayambhuve Bhutebhyaschaanjalim Kritva Chakara Gamane Matim. This shloka is taken from Sundarakanda of Ramayana. Next is Rudrasyanucharau Bhutva Sudriptau Dhanadatmajau Kailasopavane Ramye Mandakinyam Madotkatau. So this is taken from Dasham Skandha of Bhagavata. So in the first shloka, if you observe, Sasuryaja Mahendraya. Mahe Ekara is the sound transformation, the outcome, the resultant sound. So if we split, then that is Maha Indraya. Sasuryaja Maha Indraya. Similarly, in the other shloka, Kailasopavane. If we split, it is Kailasa Upavane. And in the last word, Madotkatau. Mada Utkatau. Madotkatau. So here we are observing that in the place of Purvavarna and Paravarna, there is one Adesha coming. In the first example, Sasuryaja Mahendraya, Mahendraya, there we saw Ekara. Here we are seeing Okara. Kailasopavane and Madotkatau. So this is Gunasandhi. So what is the meaning of Guna, the word Guna? First of all, it's a sound transformation, result of a sound transformation. What exactly is Guna? Guna is the name given to 4 letters. A, O, R, Al. So these 4 are called as Guna. So here Guna doesn't refer to quality or some other meaning. Here Guna refers to A, O, R and Al. So these come in the result and the Swara gets transformed. So we have seen this. Now what is the rule for Gunasandhi? What are the requisites of a Gunasandhi? We will be seeing now. So in the Purva Varna, for Gunasandhi to occur, we should have either Hrasva Akara or Dirgha Akara. A or A. Only these 2 letters. And in the Paravarna, there can be any other Swara except A and the A, I, O. That is, in the Paravarna, we should either have E or U or U, or R or L. So what is the Adesha? If the Paravarna is Ikara or Ikara, then the Adesha is Ekara. If the Paravarna is Ukara or Ukara, the Adesha is Okara. If the Paravarna is Rikara or Rikara, then the Adesha is Ar. If the Paravarna is Likara, then the Adesha is Al. And remember, this is similar to Savarnaditi Sandhi. Similar in the sense, the Adesha occurs in place of both Purvanna and Paravanna. That is, both Purvanna and Paravanna is replaced by Guna letters. That is A or O or R or Al. So, Purvaparanayoho sthane Gunasya Adesha bhavati. You can see that in the table. So, what is the Udarana word example? So, just for Likara, we have given here Tava Likaraha Tavalkaraha. So, in place of Akara, that is in Tava, if we split the letters, T, A, B, A. This is the Varna Vibhaga in the word Tava. In Likara, it is L, K, A, R, A. So in the left hand side, we have Akara, that is the ending letter of Tava. In the right hand side, we have Likara. So in place of these two letters, we have Adesha Al coming. So the form is Tavalkaraha. Tava Likaraha Tavalkaraha is the final form. Now let us see how Gunasandhi occurs. We already saw a word Mahendraya. We will take that word and see how Sandhi occurs. So in the left hand side we have Maha, in the right hand side we have Indraha. So if we split the letters in the words Maha and Indraha, this is the split. M, A, K, A, and then in the right hand side we have E, N, D, R, and Aha. So in the left hand side, the ending letter or the ending sound is Akara. In the right hand side, the starting sound is Ikara. So in place of these two letters, we get the Adesha Ekara. Then rest of the letters are carried forward like that. And then if we join the letters, we get Mahendraha. So this was the example we saw in the first shloka. Sasuryaya Mahendraya. So this is how Sandhi occurs. Now let us see how to express what are the rules of Gunasandhi. In Sanskrit, this is how we need to tell what is a Gunasandhi. A, etabhyam, rnabhyam, yada, I, u, r, li इत्येते वर्णाः परे भवन्ति तदा तयोः नाम पूर्वपरयोः वर्णयोः स्थाने क्रमेण ये ओ अर् अल् एते आदेशाः भवन्ति. So when a or a is followed by e or u, r or l, then in place of these both letters, that is Purvanna and Paravanna, we get A, O, R, Al as the Adeshas. So what is the sutra for Gunasandhi is Ad Gunaha. The sutra is Ad Gunaha. At refers to A or A, that is the Purvanna. So Gunaha, what does Gunaha refer to? A, O, R and Al. So how do we know what are the Guna letters? So there is another sutra called as Adeng Gunaha. At Eng Gunaha. At refers to Ar and Al. Eng refers to Ekara and Okara. So we have seen the abbreviations. Pratyahara. Eng is a Pratyahara. Ai un rillik e ong iti tritiyam sutram vartate Maheshwara sutreshu. So the third sutra in Maheshwara sutra is e ong. So from that we get eng, the abbreviation eng. So eng refers to ekara and okara. So this is the sutra. Now let us see one example how the Gunasandhi is occurring in the shloka of Ramayana or Bhagavata. So here we have taken a shloka from Ramayanam. Shaila Indramiva Gandhadhyam Dvitiyam Gandhamadanam Ashokavanikaayam tu Tasyam Vanarapungavaha. So here the first word, Shaila Indramiva. So if we split the letters, Shaila Indramiva. Nakara, Dakara. Actually, we have to split all the letters. Since we don't have much space in this slide, we have just showed Shail A. Actually, you need to split all the letters. Sh, I, L, A. Similarly, E, N, Dr, D, R, M, E, Ba, B, A. Like this. So here we have just shown Shail A. Indramiva. In Indramiva, Indramiva is given. So the Purva Varna is Akara and the Paravarna is Ikara. So if we see in the table shown here, the Purva Varna is Akara and the Paravarna is Ikara. So what is the Adesha? So the Adesha is Ekara. Ekara occurs in the place of Purva Varna and Paravarna. So we get Ekara. Then if we join the letters, we get the form Shailendra Shailendra Gandhadhyam Dvitiyam Gandhamadanam is the shloka. So let's now see some examples from Gunasandhi. So before getting into that, let us see what are the steps to join a Sandhi. In this case, Gunasandhi. So the step one, the first step is to split the letters in the given words. Then we should see whether the letters satisfy the Gunasandhi rules or not. So we have to refer the table and see if the Puravarna, Paravarna, Sthani, etc. are matching. Then the third step is we have to see whether the Sthani, which letter is this Sthani in the particular case. In the given example, which is this Sthani. And in this example, what should be the Adesha? And then tell what is the final form. That is the joined final form. So let's now get into examples. I will lower everyone's hands. I request those who would like to answer to again raise your hand. Devika Ravi.
Namaskaraha Mahodaya.
Namaskaraha. So first read the shloka. Then in the given, the highlighted word, tell which is the Puravarna, which is the Paravarna, then which is the Adesha and the final form. You have to tell all this.
Okay. Sacha Sarva Guna Upetaha Kausalya Nanda Vardanaha Samudra Iva Gambire Dairyena Himavaniva. So atra Sarva Guna plus Upeta. So the Sandhi happens over there, and the Purva Varnasya Antima Varna is Akaraha, Paravarnasya Purva Varnasya is Ukaraha, and the Adesha Varnaha will become Okaraha. It becomes Sarva Guno Petaha.
Perfectly. Sarva Guna Upetaha. So the Akara is the Puravarna, Ukara is the Paravarna. In place of these two letters, we get Okara as Adesha. And if we join all the letters, we get Sarva Gunopetaha. Such a Sarva Gunopetaha Kausalyanandavardhanaha. So this is the shloka from Sankhya Paramayana. Uttama. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, Ravi Kiran Mahodaya.
Namaskara.
Namaskara.
Vismayavyagra manaso babhuvarvanara rishabhaha sanjata parishankaste tadbilam plavaga uttamaha.
Uttam. First tell for the first word.
Babhuvarvanara ra plus rishabhaha vanararshabhaha.
What is the Purva Varna?
Purva Varna is ra. Vanara.
In Ra, how do you split the letters?
R-A.
So the Purva Varna is Akara. You needn't have to tell Ra. You can just tell A.
Purva Varna is A and Uttara Varna is Ru. So combination of Akara and Rukara is Ar.
Uttam. So the form is Uttam. Purva Varna is Akara, Paravarna is Rikara. In place of these two letters, we get Ar as the Adesha. So the final form is Babhuvur Vanararshabhaha. Uttam. Uttam Mahodaya. Samyak Uttam. Dhanyavadaha. We'll give a chance for others. I would request everyone to participate. I see that only few people have raised your hands. So the two, whoever has participated in the past are repeating. So kindly participate in the discussion. Namo Namaha. Shali Bhagini. Just tell the shlokaha mastu. Shloka patanam mastu. Sakshat plavaga uttamaha. Tatra purvarnaha kaha, paravarnaha kaha. Iti vadastha.
Astu Mahodaya. Plavaga uttamaha. Purvavarnaha akaraha. Paravarnaha ukaraha. Ataha adeshaha okaraha bhavati. Plavagottamaha.
Uttam. Uttam. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Rajan Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Antarhita Indriyarthaya Haraye Vitanjalihi Sarva Bhutamayo Vishwam Sasarja Idam Sa Purvavat. Antarhita Indriyarthaya Purvarnaha Akaraha Paravarnaha Ikaraha Antarhitendriyarthaya.
Uttam. Uttam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Ravichandra Mahodaya.
Namaskaraha. Sarva Bhutamayo Vishwam Sasarja Idam Sa Purvavat. Purva Varnaha Akaraha Asti. Paravarnaha Ikaraha Asti. Tasmat Adeshaha Ekaraha Bhavati. Sasarjedam Sa Purvavat. Iti
Uttam. Uttam. Dhanyavadaha. Samyaktam. Sasarjedam. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Bhanumati Swaminathan.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Yad dvayaksharam nama gira iritam nruna sagrit prasangadaga mashu hantitat pavitra kirtim तमलङ्ग्य शासनं भवानहो द्वेष्टि शिवं शिव इतरः अत्र गिरा प्लस ईरितम् आकारः पूर्ववर्णः परवर्णः ईकारः अतः एकारः भवति आदेशः गिरा गिरा गिरारेरितम्
If you split gira, take out the akara. What is left? Gir. So in place of akara and ikara, you get ekara adesha.
Gireritam.
Gireritam. Yadyaksharam nama gireritam drana.
Sakrit prasangada gamasu. Anantram Shiva
agre anyam prichhami bhagini.
Dhanyavada.
We'll give chance to others also. Dhanyavada. Samyavati. Next, I don't know what is the name. It is given as Chi.
Yeah, Chitra Tyagarajan here.
Oh, Chitra Tyagarajan. Dhanyavada. Vadanti.
Purvavarnaha akaraha, paravarnaha ikaraha, A plus E ekaraha, shivetaraha.
Uttam. Shivetaraha. Bhavanaho dveshti shivam shivetaraha. Uttam. Dhanyavada. Next, Krishna Veni Bhagiri. Before you tell the shloka, so we'll just see the steps involved in splitting a sandhi. So the first step is, where is the possibility of Gunasandhi? You have to see where is the possibility of Gunasandhi. So how do you say this? How do you say there is a possibility of Guna? You have to see whether the outcome sounds of Gunasandhi are there in this particular example or not, and mark that as the potential place of Sandhi. So next we have to see whether the letters are satisfying the rules of Gunasandhi. That is the Purvarna, Paravarna, Sthani, Adesha, etc. are satisfying or not. So next we have to see which letter is Sthani in the particular example. And then we have to tell the final split. So these are the steps. So read the shloka and one by one you can tell the answers.
Anahasya kule jata deva mayayeva nirmita
Deva mayeva
nirmita sarvalakshana sampanna narinam uttama vaduhu. ഇവിടെ ദേവമായേവ ദേവമായേവ ഏ ഇവിടെ അപ്പൊ ആ പ്ലസ് ഇ ദേവമാ പ്ലസ് ഇവ.
Could you tell the left hand side again?
ഏവ ആ പ്ലസ് ഇ ദേവമായേവ.
First, could you tell where is the possibility of the Sandhi?
A plus E vrum devama A plus E a
You are telling correctly.
Devama eva
Eva is correct. Sorry, not Eva is also not correct. Deva ma yeva. Where is the possibility of Sandhi?
Sorry, Deva ma iva.
If you tell Deva ma iva, it should have become Deva meva.
Meva nu varum. Okay, it will not come. Deva maya iva.
Deva maya iva. Let's see.
Deva maye iva.
So your thinking is correct, but there is no word as Deva Maya.
Yes.
The word is Deva Maya, Dirgha. So Deva Maya, Iva, Deva
Iva.
Devamaya Iva. This is the split.
Ya Akara. Devamaya Iva. Thank you.
Dhanyawadaha. Next. Neelima Bhagini.
Namaskara.
Namaskara.
Srujan Dakshina Margasthana Saptarishin Aparan Punaha Nakshatra Maparam Asrujat Krodha Murchirtaha.
You shouldn't tell Asrajat, it is Asrajat.
Asrajat Krodha Murchitaha.
Uttam.
Saptarishin.
Where is the possibility of Sandhi?
Purvavarnaha Rikaraha na Akara Sapta Sapta Adhika Rishin.
Rishin. So the Adesha here is Ar. So when will we get the Adesha Ar? If you see, the Puravarna should either be Akara or Akara. The Paravarna should be either Rikara or Rikara. So if we tell Akara, we don't have any word like Sapta. But if we take Akara, the Raswa form, then we have a Shabda called Sapta. So the Purvavarna is Akara and the Paravarna is Rishin. So we get Sapta Rishin. Dhanyawadaha. Samyak uttam. Next, Pungodi Hariharan. Mahodaya.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Nataha sma te napta tadangri pankajam viricha vairinchya surendra vanditam parayanam khema mihechatam param na yatra kala prabhave paraha prabhuhu.
While we read the shloka, let's try to tell the padas together. Pada is a quarter of a shloka. So here, Nayatra Kala Prabhavet Parah Prabhu. So let's not split in between the pada, within a pada. In between padas, you can take a pause, but within a pada, let's try to tell together.
Astu Mahodaya.
Virinchi Vairincha Surendra Vanditam. Where is the possibility of Gunasandhi?
Vairincha Surendra.
Where do you see the Adesha? That is Gunadesha.
Surendra.
Uttam. Surendra.
A plus E, A.
Uttam. Uttam. So we don't have any other letter Ekara or Okara or Ar or Al in this. So the possibility of Sandhi is in Surendra only. So if we split it, it becomes Virincha Vairincha Sura and Indra Vanditam. Puravarna is Akara, Paravarna is Ikara. So the Adesha here is Ekara. Uttam. Samyak.
Next one.
Next, let's give chance for others. Dhanyawadaha. Next, Lakshmi Narayanan.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Kshemamihe chatam. Kshemamiha ichchatam.
Uttam. What is the Purva Varna?
Akara Purva Varna, ichchatam ikara paravarna. E adesha bhavati. Kshemamihe ichchatam.
Uttam. Uttam. Samyak uttam.
धन्यवाद. महोदय मम एक प्रश्नः अस्ति.
अनन्तरं
भवतु.
अनन्तरं तत्र Q&A सेशन् भवति, तदा प्रष्टुं शक्यते. धन्यवादाः महोदय, सम्यक् उक्तम्. नेक्स्ट् अर्चना नुकल्. अर्चना भगिनी.
नमस्ते महोदय.
नमस्ते.
नरदेवेह भवतो नाघं तावन्मनाकस्थितम् अस्त्येकं प्राक्तनमघं यदि हेदृक् त्वमप्रजः.
Actually, in the first line, Naradeveha bhavato. So a pada ends there. The next pada is Naghantavanmanaksthitam.
धन्यवादः.
Now, Naradeveha.
नरदेवेह. अत्र नर वे अत्र सन्धि भवति. नरदेव अधिकम् इह.
उत्तमं. नरदेव इह नरदेवेह. So the Purvarna is Akara, Paravarna is Ikara. The forms are Naradeva iha. Uttamam bhagini. Dhanyavadah. Next, Dheeraj Madan.
नमो नमः. यदि हेदृक् तर्हि अस्ति अत्र यदिह प्लस् इदृक्. अत्र पूर्ववर्णः परवर्णः च इ. तर्हि
Is the Paravarna Rasa Ikara or Dirgha Ikara?
अत्र दीर्घ एव. ईदृक्.
ईदृक् वा?
सम्यक्तया न जानामि.
यदिह ईदृक् इति भवति. यतोहि ईदृक् इति पदं नास्ति. ईदृक् इति पदमस्ति, अतः ईदृक् इति स्वीकार्यम्. So we don't have a pada like ईदृक्. We have ईदृक्. So we have to take ईदृक्. यदिह ईदृक्.
अस्तु. अत्र कश्चित् टङ्कन् दोषः अस्ति वा? यत्र यदिह प्लस् इ इति लिखितम्. अत्र यदिह प्लस् अ इति भवेत्.
तत्र क्षम्यतां, तत्र उट्टङ्कनदोषः जातः, क्षम्यताः. अधुना प्रायशः सम्यक् भवेत्.
अत्र अस्य अर्थः किम् अस्ति? यदिह एवं
अर्थस्य ज्ञानं मधुरा नावश्यकम्. तत्र let's not get into the meanings of the words or the shlokas, because it will take a lot of time and you will get more and more doubts about it. So let's not get into that.
Astu, dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. So with this, we end today's class.